Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Remember to pray a lot, stay focused, remember to smile, love upon each other. Alright guys, so now let's get into this video. From one of my followers, they want me to make some Jamaican grater cake. Okay, my peeps, I'm telling you the truth. I went to No Frills to buy some coconut. I bought 2. When I come home and knock them outside on the concrete, guys, let me say something, them spoil, them stink. So till inside I full of, I don't know what kind of water is that. And them soft and spoil. So anyhow, you know I'm in Canada. Sometimes you can't get no good Jamaican coconut. Or sometimes they're not good. But boy, let's get into this part. I'm gonna improvise. All right, so the next thing you can do, guys, this is the unsweetened shredded coconut. Okay, I got it from, I think, where place called Di Pietro. Yeah, so you want to look for that so you can limit the amount of sugar you're gonna put in it, okay, or control. Since the shredded coconut is dried out, you're not gonna have that coconut juice. You know, the coconut juice where you squeeze out when you make rice and peas and them thing, them porridge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk to get back that nice flavor. Not much. And I'm gonna use 1 cup of sugar. You need 1 cup of water. I have my pink food coloring, the gel. You can use any one of your choice. And you need, some people put mint in there, guys. It tastes so nice with the peppermint. Yummy. I'm gonna put some vanilla. But it's optional if you don't want to put the peppermint, but it's so good with it. Over here, I'm going to pour 1 cup of water. If you want to make a lot for a lot of people, double up on the ingredients, okay? A little bit of salt, sorry. Less than 1/4 teaspoon. Just a pinch, all right, guys? Just a smidge, see? Not even 1/4 teaspoon. I have 3 tablespoons of coconut cream or coconut milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And I'm going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar. And I'm going to whisk this together, okay, guys? I'm going to let it come to a boil. When it starts to bubble like this and boil down a little bit, you can smell the coconut flavor in it, guys. I have 1 cup of shredded coconut. I'm going to use 1.5 cups, okay, guys? I'm not using a lot. I'm not using more than that, a little bit more. So that's about 1.5 cups. And you're gonna give this a little stir. As I said before, if you want to make a lot, you can double up on the ingredients, okay? We're gonna let this boil down, right down, okay, guys? And you want to watch your stove. Watch it, don't let it boil over. All right, my peeps, this is where we're at. So it still have too much liquid. Continue to check it. Just check it and stir it. You want it to dry out. All right, guys, it's coming on. And you want it to become sticky or gooey, okay? Not there yet, almost there, guys. Jamaican people, don't come for me, don't get me wrong, guys. If you have the real coconut where you cut up and take off the piece of brown part, you don't need to add any coconut milk, okay? I'm just adding the milk to give it some coconut flavor because the shredded coconut is dried out already. You want to watch it and you don't want it to burn, okay? So this is where I'm at. I think it starts to become gooey now. See? Ooh, hot. So,
I'm gonna burn myself again.
So guys, I'm gonna take it off now. All right, you want it to be dried out, okay? All right, okay, and you don't want it to burn. Almost I burnt mine. I have some grease proof paper. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil just to grease the bottom, okay? Before I put it down, I'm gonna take out like 2 spoonfuls, not much, to put on the top. All right, about this amount, about 1/2 cup. And now I'm gonna put the rest in here. I'm not making a lot, okay, guys? So press this out. I don't think you can make the whole container, but I might make half of it. Some food coloring. You can use any one of your choice, and you can put whatever amount you want. You got to work with it fast, all right guys, before it dry up on you. All right guys, after you give it a good mix like this, make sure you mix it out before it dries out. Okay, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna spread it on top. Okay, and I'm gonna spread it out fast as possible, and I'm gonna allow it to be dried. Okay, all right, you gotta work fast with it. Okay guys, just like that. So I'm gonna let this completely dry. One thing I forgot, oh dear Jesus, I wanted to mix the mint with the red food coloring on top. My God, but I forgot. Like a teaspoon right here. Okay, and I'm gonna use my brush. We're improvising. All right, don't do this guys. Add it in with the red food coloring. Okay guys, I totally forgot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spot check it. It's gonna still taste nice. All right guys, but remember, if you add in the mint, you want to add it when you're mixing the red food coloring with the top part, or you can put it in all of it. It's up to you. But guys, I'm improvising right here. Don't tell nobody. I will look a secret this. Okay, you're gonna have the mint flavor just the same. All right, there you have it. Oh yes. All right, I'm gonna let this cool down a little bit. We're gonna cut around here first. Make sure it can come out somewhat. All right guys, help it behind that. All right, lift it up. Okay, I'm just shaping it up nicely guys. Don't throw away that, you know guys, you can eat it too. All right, one at the back a little bit break up, but that's all good guys. That's it. Yes, that's my Jamaican grater cake for you. All right guys, and guys, this is a pink food coloring. All right, I don't know how you look red on camera, but if you want to use a red one, you can go ahead. Okay guys, and it has that little mint flavor on top. Love upon me and I love upon you. Look at that goodness. Bye guys. There you have it.